Gearheads, buckle up. We're diving into a muscle car masterpiece, a 1968 Dodge Charger that's been reborn with pure passion and precision. No shortcuts, no compromises. This Charger is the result of countless hours poured into every detail. The entire body was stripped bare, and a custom, handmade wide body kit was meticulously sculpted from steel, not fiberglass. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a testament to dedication and craftsmanship. Step inside and let the luxurious Alcantara-wrapped dash embrace you. The professional touch is evident in every stitch, elevating the interior to a whole new level of comfort and style. This isn't just a piece of automotive history, it's a blank canvas for making memories. With only 1,000 miles on the clock, this Charger is practically begging to hit the open road. Imagine the roar of the engine, the wind whipping through your hair as you unleash the beast within. But let's not forget the practicalities. This Charger sits on a clean title, ready to be yours with 4 spacious seats for sharing the adrenaline rush with friends and family. So, if you're looking for a car that's more than just metal and rubber, a car that's a statement of dedication and raw automotive passion, then this 1968 Dodge Charger is calling your name. Click the link in the description below to learn more and maybe make this muscle car masterpiece your own. Don't miss your chance to own a legend reborn. Video title suggestion: 1968 Dodge Charger Reborn, a hand-built masterpiece. Keywords: 1968 Dodge Charger, custom wide body, Alcantara interior, low mileage, muscle car, classic car, Auburn Hills, Michigan. Note: this script comes in at 174 words, so you might need to adjust it slightly to fit your desired length. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.